Indian food is very tasty, but have you ever wondered how you can make something Indian at your house? Well, don't worry, because today we're going to be making this delicious beetroot pulao right in your home kitchen. Well, let's get started on making this beetroot pulao. So these are the ingredients we're going to be needing for our beetroot pulao. So there are 2 tomatoes, the beetroots. Make sure most of them are in cubes and some of them are grated for the color, and then ginger and garlic to be made into paste, a small onion, 3 chilies, coriander leaves, mint leaves, raw spices. This is a bay leaf, cinnamon, cardamom pods, cloves, and some cumin seeds. And here we have some rice being soaked. Well, let's get it in. We're going to be making this beetroot pulao. So now we can start making our beetroot pulao. So here I've heated a large pan, and in this we're going to be adding some ghee. So we're going to be adding some ghee in here. Make sure you add all of it. Once you added your ghee, you're going to drop in all of your raw spices, and then you're going to saute them really well in this ghee. Make sure you can smell the aroma of spices, and when you can smell the aroma, that means your spices have been well sauteed. So now that the raw spices are sauteed, we can now add our raw onions in here. Once you added them, make sure you saute the onions really well until they turn transparent. If you're using a red onion, if you're using like yellow onions, then make sure the color starts to change. This is how you should saute your onions. I'm sorry for the smoky camera. It's just that there's so much steam coming from the onions. So once your onions are sauteed, they should look like this. As you can see, they're completely transparent. Now you're going to add in your chilies and then your grated ginger and garlic and continue sauteing. Don't worry if it sticks, it's just because of the ginger, and that is completely normal. Once you sauteed your chilies, ginger, and garlic, you're going to add your tomatoes. And saute them until they're completely mushy. Once you mixed all your beets in, we're going to add some spices. So we're going to add turmeric first. Then we're going to add some garam masala to this. Masala just means powder. So we're just going to add some garam masala to this. And then finally, you're going to add some salt. Then you're going to add your mint leaves in here. And now mix all of this together. Make sure the mint leaves reduce in size. That's when you know you're ready to go into the next step. Once you cook your mint leaves, you're going to add your drained soaked rice in here. And then you're going to mix this together. And then now we're going to be adding water to this. Once you added your water, you're going to cut up a lemon and you're going to squeeze some lemon juice in here. This is going to help the rice grow much quicker. It's going to give it some flavor. So now once you added that, you're going to put on the lid. So you're going to put on the lid. And you're gonna let this simmer on a low heat so that the rice can cook and it becomes very fluffy. So now our rice is cooked, and as you can see, I'll show you how it's cooked. So you see, it's completely cooked. It just completely turns into paste. So now once your rice is cooked, you're gonna add your coriander leaves. You're gonna mix that in one final time. And make sure don't break the cooked rice. Now I completely cooked the beetroot pulao and I transferred it to a bowl. And that's it. This is how you make beetroot pulao. If you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button down below. And to not miss on my future videos, don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notifications bell. Well, that's it for this video. See you next time.